1,300 species of flora, protected animals like brown bear, but also wild roars, badgers, squirrels, 173 different kinds of birds, 264 different kinds of butterflies, and 24 different kinds of frogs and lizards. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the nature park Ucka, declared as a nature park in 1999. % of park is covered by forests, mostly beech forests, but also forests of black hornbeam, oak, black pine and spruce. Beautiful. After walking 1.5 hours, I'm finally here on the top of the world. Look. This is called the Peak Voyak, 1,396 meters above the sea. And down there, you can see my hometown, Rijeka, the whole Bay of Kvarner. There is an island of Cres, and on this side it's another county, Istria County, because Ucka Mountain is a nature border between Primorsko-Goranska County and Istria County. So this is all for today. Until the next time, bye, see ya.